So, really quickly walking through the reverse outline, what you do is you take the sample report, and I recommend reading through it once just to kind of get the big idea, so you can kind of understand how it's organized, how it's laid out, that kind of thing, and then break it down into, I would go paragraph by paragraph. And for this visual sample that you have here that's also attached to the assignment, I have some green notes. It's just kind of a reference for you to see when you are creating your own sample outline, what that looks like. But what I've done is I basically went through paragraph by paragraph and sentence by sentence and kind of summarized what each sentence is about. If there's direct quotes, like with the dark, with the overdose, or with, which one is it? The first source in body paragraph 1, where they actually have direct quotes, then I've gone in and I've written that out word for word. As you're writing your outline, both practicing with the reverse outline and prepping for your outline, what I would do is I'd also make note of how does the author establish the credibility of the source. So for the first sentence, it has, I'm guessing it's Raditz. I'm totally guessing on the pronunciation there, but the sentence also says that this person is from the College of Medicine and Life Science, University of Toledo. So I'm keeping track of which source is it from, some of the credibility information. So that's kind of, you could get it from the citation itself. You could get it by going to the live link and looking at some of the source information as you like the initial search finding that you had, and then the page number. And this visual one kind of just breaks down. I started off with my thesis somewhat in the center, and then I have just kind of like a layout. I only did the first three paragraphs, but I kind of have a different color for each body paragraph. I have a sentence by sentence breakdown of the paragraphs. What are the big things? Because when you take this outline, in theory, if I was using this as my organizer, I would just have to put it into sentence structure. And I might change some of the word choice and everything, but I would have everything I would need in order to actually write the paper for this outline. Okay, and your options are visual like this or the typed/written. If you have, those are the ones that I think would be easiest. If you have a different way of somehow organizing your information, kind of clearly showing which evidence is being used, what's the credibility of that evidence, looking at what is the overall thesis, like I have here in my blue section, and then the arrows and kind of the arrows on this one help me show the line of reasoning of here's how I move from point to point. You can see that. I'm going to zoom back in a little bit. What can the U.S. learn from success and failure of other countries? The other countries being Turkey and France, leading right back to that. Similar to U.S., I could/should what can the U.S. learn, right? And then we have like the other countries part is the France and Turkey. So you can kind of see where that line of reasoning is. For the typed and written, the line of reasoning is basically just what's the order that's being taken, that's being made.